You download an app, open it up, and see this, a completely blank screen. What do? You probably assume it's broken or useless. No context, no next steps, and a complete dead end. That is exactly how you lose a user on day one. Most people think that a blank screen is just a missing feature. But as a UI UX designer, you need to know the truth. A blank screen is a silent retention killer. Today, we are fixing it. Graphic design is about making things look good, but UI UX design is about guiding users' behavior. And nowhere is that more critical than the empty state. An empty state happens when there is no data to display to the user. This usually occurs during first time onboarding, when a user clears their tasks, or when a search fails. It is a critical touch point in the user journey. The biggest mistake you can make is creating a dead end. Leaving a screen completely blank or just saying nothing here confuses users. They don't know if the app is broken or if they did something wrong. When users get confused, they leave. A high converting empty state has four distinct parts. First, a simple, non distracting visual. Second, a clear heading explaining the current state. Third, helpful body text telling them what to do. And finally, the most important piece, a primary call to action. When writing the copy of these screens, I always use the 3 E's framework. Educate the user on why the screen is empty, encourage them by showing the value of filling it, and engage them by providing a clear, frictionless button to take that exact next step. Look at the difference. The left is dead end, the right is conversion engine. It tells the user exactly how to use the feature and drives them directly back into the product catalog. This is how you design for business growth. Designing these from scratch every time slows you down. Professional designers use systematic components to drop in standardized high quality empty states in seconds. It ensures your user experience remains completely consistent across the entire platform. Stop leaving your users stranded. Give them a clear path forward. That's it for concept 19 of 100 UX concepts in 100 day series. In the next episode, we are covering consistency versus flexibility in UI. Hit subscribe and I'll see you then. Bye bye.